If you're new to the Amazon Influencer Program and your brain feels kind of like it's on fire right now, this video is for you. Before you watch yet another tutorial, I need you to hear this. Keep your eyes on your own paper. You're going to hear that a lot from me. Listen, most people don't fail at this because they're bad at it. They fail because they're overwhelmed. So let's slow this way down. In the next few minutes, I'm going to do three things. I'm going to help you calm the noise, hopefully, explain what phase you're actually in, and give you a simple way to move forward without burning yourself out. This video is about what actually matters right now and what you can safely stop worrying about. That way, you can just let your mind relax. Your job right now is not to be good. Your job is to exist. I know, it's hard to believe, but really, you need to exist before you can be good. Remember that you're building a portfolio, not a brand, not a strategy, and not a system. And before your brain jumps ahead, this is temporary. Slowing down now does not limit what you build later. So stop asking, is this good enough? Start asking, does this count? Because counting is how you actually stay in the game. Eyes on your own paper, head down, do the thing. Just do the thing. Stop looking around. Do the thing. You do not need new products. You do not need the perfect setup. What you need to do is walk through your house like a normal human, not a creator. If you've used it, guess what? You can review it. This is not content creation. This is documentation, okay? Perfection is not the assignment right now. Volume is. Okay, I want to take a quick pause. If this is already helping calm things down, and I really hope it is, go ahead and like the video. It helps more beginners find this without me having to yell at the algorithm. Okay, back to it. Now I want to pause here for a second because part of this is what confuses a lot of people. You do not need a YouTube to be accepted into the Amazon Influencer Program. And you're not starting a YouTube because Amazon requires it. We start YouTube early because it gives your content leverage. First, it gives your content more eyes. Amazon is one platform. YouTube lets your videos be seen outside of Amazon. Second, it gives your content an evergreen home. Evergreen means that it can just keep being searched and found over and over again. Even if a video isn't showing up on an Amazon listing, it still lives somewhere. Because remember, you don't have control over if a video ends up on an Amazon listing. You do have control if a video ends up on YouTube. And third, it gives brands a place to actually find you, your channel, your about page, and maybe most importantly, your contact info. And fourth, it can actually become another income stream. Not now, not in this phase, but starting it early gives it time to grow quietly in the background. So YouTube right now is not about growth. It's only about visibility and longevity and options. This is still the portfolio phase. You know what I'm going to say right now? Eyes on your own paper. So here's the simple action. Make the YouTube channel. Upload the same videos you're already making. You're not optimizing. Don't overthink this. Just practice showing up, uploading the video, and hitting publish. That's it. A lot of overwhelm in the beginning comes from thinking you need this whole tech stack, all of this really expensive stuff. You don't. For filming, use your phone. For editing, use whatever came with your phone or computer. For planning, use a notes app, Google Keep, or hell, how about a piece of paper? For research, start with the products you already own. Extensions and advanced tools can come later. Here's the rule. If a tool makes you feel behind, close it. Tools are meant to support a process, not replace one. People always ask, okay, but how long does this phase last? And I get it. You want to just keep moving forward. Optimize the thing. But here's the answer. It all depends. Because everybody's process is different. I can't say it's going to be this amount of time for every single person. But there are signs that you're ready. And when you're ready, I think you'll know. Because filming doesn't feel heavy anymore. You stop overthinking every upload, and you naturally repeat what works. You start to feel curious instead of overwhelmed. That's when optimization helps instead of hurts. So, if you do nothing else after this video, do these things. Stay calm, eyes on your own paper, and make the YouTube channel and film what you already own. That's it. This is not the ceiling, though. This is the foundation. And right now, you're laying bricks. Later, you'll design the house. So, in closing, keep your eyes on your own paper. Deep breaths. I'll see you in the next one. You got this.